Have you ever needed to send audio from one PC to another? For instance, you might be wanting to play music across the whole house in sync, or maybe you'd like to set up a PA system where your microphone can be heard by any computer on the network. Would you like to record a microphone from a completely different PC? Or maybe you're a bit more advanced and you'd like to send sound effects triggered by a streambot on a server to a different PC that's streaming using OBS. Well, let's get started. Wavelink is Elgato's audio system that allows you to separate your sounds into virtual channels and apply effects called Virtual Studio Technology or VST plugins to each separate channel. Wavelink is available to you if you have an Elgato Wave microphone, a Wave XLR interface, or a Stream Deck Plus with or without the XLR dock. NDI stands for Network Device Interface and is a protocol from the company NewTek that allows you to send video, audio, and data across a standard network in real time. It's used for professional broadcasts, network cameras, and one of the best things about it is that NewTek has made it free to download and use. You'll want to get this installed into each of the computers on your network, and one of the things you may or may not notice is once it is installed, it actually sets up its own Virtual Studio Technology or VST plugin as well. Now, if you're already joining the dots in your head, you'll see this is where we can utilize Elgato Wavelink to make some magic happen. We'll start on the broadcasting PC. You can see in Wavelink, I've already created a music channel and I've got it configured so that my music apps will only play through this channel. We'll hit the effects button at the bottom of the track and add a new effect. Select NDI and NDI output. We're going to give this a good name, and since it's music, I want to use a stereo channel. If you're transmitting a microphone, then it's fine to use a mono track, but I find that using stereo tends to cater for most situations. You can generally leave the level at SMPTE. This is just an international standard. Now, going over to your receiving PC, we're going to create a new channel in Wavelink, or pick one that we've already set up. Same process here. Add a new effect, go to NDI, but this time choose NDI input. Under source, search for your broadcasting PC and then choose the same channels that you selected for that broadcast. Now, whenever you play sound through music channel on the broadcasting PC, you'll hear that same music in Elgato Wavelink on the receiving PC, all from across the network without any extra cabling required. You should note that this process can now be repeated on one or more receiving PCs on the same network. You may have also noticed that you've got up to 16 channels to play with, meaning even more separation on the network for more advanced things like having different music or voice channels all in real time. Let me know in the comments how you're going to use this superpower, or if you'd like me to explore a particular tech tutorial in future videos.